Hey folks, Kevin with EA Home Design. Another good morning at one of our projects that we love it actually. We're very happy with it. I'm going to give you a quick tour and explain a little bit what we did here. An older house which we updated almost the whole main floor. And this was just the old dining room here. And the kitchen was back there, which we're going to show it to you. There was a wall here, a small entrance to the old kitchen, which was very tiny. We extended the kitchen out. We removed the wall. We make the kitchen much larger. And there was no island. That was not here. None of this was here. We changed this window, the dining room window, to a different window at a higher height. We added the main sink here. You will see we have added, actually, there's a dual zone wine cooler here and beverage center in the island. Then we moved and put a gas range, 48-inch with the inserted hood in the cabinet cover, as you see here. And the kitchen is kind of an L shape, as you see, it turns. And this window, this sink is the old sink, which I remember there was a wall here. This was just a little tiny kitchen back here. But no, this is a second sink, which we kept it. The main sink was over there. This is the second sink. As a prep sink, you can also call it, but it's front of window. That's a nice thing, even as a second sink to be in the front of the window. 48-inch refrigerator with automatic power doors. Very nice. Big fridge, big freezer, tall. Pantry with roll-out trays and 2 trash cans, actually, one by that sink, one by this sink. And as you see, the kitchen was all the way back here. Then we moved the laundry room up here. If you see, this was part of the kitchen with a pocket door. And that was also kitchen. But no, we closed it off because we extended the kitchen that way. We could have used this space as a laundry room with washer and dryer here, some cabinetry and all that. And you can see there's a window. Of course, we added a window here to bring some light in this little space of laundry room. We added a drawer microwave in the island. Many people are not familiar and they don't know there is such an option as a drawer microwave that I can show you here. This doesn't open like a regular microwave. People think they have to bend over too much, but they don't. This is easy. You just go from the top and, you know, it automatically shuts down. That's a built-in drawer microwave. And some of the other features I can show you very quick. I told you, double trash can, deep drawers. These are pretty deep, for even big pots and pans can fit here. And we got the utensil pull out next to the range, 48-inch range with 2 ovens. And we have another one here. Let me show you this one first, probably. The pull-out spice rack, oils, all kind of like cooking that you need for cooking. It can be here with shelves. This is because of where this is sitting. This is a blind corner cabinet. There's no lazy Susan, no turning, spinning plate. This is like a bean, as you see. It's an accessory for a blind corner cabinet. You pull it out completely. You have easy access to everything. And you can just push it back. 2 level. Again, another double trash can next to the main sink. As I showed you also, we had the microwave, drawer microwave, dishwasher, drawers, and a dual zone wine cooler, which is pretty cool. Actually, it's a beverage center on one side and wine cooler on the other side. We have added all new recessed lights, of course, here and lighting it up. This side is kind of a mini bar that you see you can use for a lot of different things as far as glasses and other stuff in it. And all these windows and siding of the house has been replaced. We're gonna have some videos from the outside. You'll see we installed hardy plank here on the exterior. The windows are different inside and outside. Actually black on the outside and white on the inside, which we're gonna have some videos and show it to you. Well, thank you very much for watching. Let us know if you have any comments or questions, and we'll see you soon.